Ever pondered why KYC and O-Verify are crucial in today's tech world? Well, let's dive right into it. In our ever-evolving digital era, the significance of KYC, or Know Your Customer, and O-Verify is rapidly rising. These are not mere buzzwords, but vital processes that ensure secure online transactions and prevent potential identity theft. As we increasingly move towards a digital economy, trust becomes a precious commodity. This is where KYC and O-Verify come into play. They serve as a bridge, connecting users to online platforms with an assurance of safety. By verifying the identity of users, these processes help to build a trustworthy environment, discouraging fraudsters and fostering confidence among users. Companies across the globe are adopting these methods to not only comply with regulatory requirements, but also to demonstrate their commitment to secure practices. The importance of O-Verify and KYC cannot be overstated in our increasingly digital world. Before we get started, please subscribe, and comment below. Thanks. Intrigued about O-Verify? Let's delve into what it exactly is. O-Verify is a cutting-edge identity verification process implemented by Onpassive, a global leader in AI-driven solutions. This technology employs advanced artificial intelligence and machine learning to ensure the most secure and effective verification process possible. But how does it work, you may wonder? Well, O-Verify uses complex algorithms to analyze a variety of data points and patterns. This allows it to verify the authenticity of a user's identity swiftly and accurately. It's like having a digital detective that never sleeps, constantly working to protect your identity. And the benefits? They're numerous. For starters, O-Verify provides an extra layer of security, making it much harder for cybercriminals to commit fraud. It's a tool that not only protects individual users, but also businesses by preventing unauthorized access to sensitive data. Moreover, O-Verify is user-friendly. It's designed to be intuitive and straightforward, making the verification process a breeze. No need to worry about complicated procedures or technical jargon. This means you can focus more on what you want to do online and less on how to prove you're you. But where is O-Verify used? The answer is just about everywhere. It's used in online banking, e-commerce, social media platforms, and more. Anywhere that requires identity verification can benefit from the security and convenience of O-Verify. But it's not just about the here and now. O-Verify is also about the future. As our world becomes more digital, the need for secure, reliable identity verification will only grow. By leveraging AI and machine learning, O-Verify is paving the way for a safer, more secure digital world. So, in a nutshell, O-Verify is a smart, secure, and user-friendly tool for verifying identities online. It's not just about confirming who you are, but also about protecting your digital footprint from fraudulent activities. So, O-Verify is not just about verifying your identity, it's about creating a safer digital world. Curious about how the O-Verify process works? Let's walk through it step by step. The journey begins with an initial request for verification. This is where you, the user, initiate the process by submitting a request through the O-Verify platform. Next comes the document submission phase. Here, you will be asked to provide certain necessary documents that can confirm your identity. These may include a government-issued ID, a utility bill, or even a selfie, depending on your region and the level of verification required. Once these documents are submitted, the O-Verify system springs into action. It thoroughly analyzes the provided documents, cross-checking them against numerous databases to ensure their authenticity. Finally, the system verifies your identity. This is a critical step, as it confirms that the documents provided indeed belong to you and not someone else. The O-Verify process, though thorough, is designed to be user-friendly and efficient. Now that we've grasped O-Verify, let's turn our attention to OKYC. Short for Know Your Customer, OKYC is a system developed by Onpassive to validate the authenticity of a customer's information. This process is like a digital handshake, confirming that the person you're interacting with online is indeed who they claim to be. So how does OKYC work? It's a simple process, really. When you sign up on a platform using OKYC, you'll provide some personal details. These details are then cross-checked with various databases to ensure they're genuine. The benefits of OKYC are manifold. For users, it means a safer online experience. For businesses, it helps prevent fraud, ensuring that their platform remains a trusted space for their customers. This verification process is widely used, especially on platforms dealing with sensitive information such as financial transactions or confidential data. OKYC is an essential tool in maintaining the integrity of online platforms. Wondering how the OKYC process works? Let's take a closer look. The process begins with an initial request for information. This is where you'll need to provide essential details such as your name, address, and date of birth. It's crucial to ensure the accuracy of this information as it forms the basis of your identity verification. Next, you'll be asked to submit necessary documents. These may include a copy of your government-issued ID, proof of address, or even a recent photograph. It's important to provide clear and readable documents to avoid any delays in the verification process. Once your details and documents are submitted, the final verification by the system takes place. Advanced AI and machine learning algorithms work behind the scenes to cross-check your details with global databases, ensuring a robust and reliable verification. And there you have it, a step-by-step overview of the OKYC process. The OKYC process, like O-Verify, is thorough yet user-friendly. Let's summarize what we've learned about O-Verify and OKYC. These two verification processes are integral to secure online transactions and are robust safeguards against identity theft. O-Verify allows companies to confirm an individual's identity through a series of checks, ensuring that the person you're dealing with is indeed who they claim to be. This process is expedient, secure, and minimizes the risk of fraudulent activities. On the other hand, OKYC, or Know Your Customer, is a process that businesses use to verify the identity of their clients. This is a legal requirement in many jurisdictions and is crucial for preventing money laundering, terrorism financing, and other illegal activities. It's a comprehensive process that includes document verification, biometric data, and risk assessment. Both O-Verify and OKYC have a wide range of applications, from banking and financial services to online marketplaces and social networks. So whether you're a tech enthusiast or a regular internet user, understanding O-Verify and OKYC is essential in today's digital world. For more information about internet security and marketing with Onpassive, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.